Hello friends, how are you? It's me, Katie DeVito, your independent designer with Origami Owl, and I wanted to hop on here because I just got a few pieces in my little spring pack of our brand new spring collection, and it is pretty amazing. In my almost 9 years of being a designer, I would say this is probably my favorite collection we have ever done. So I wanted to hop on. This is not the entire collection. There are a few other pieces that are also pretty amazing that I ordered that will be heading my way very soon. But I had to hop on here and share these goodies with you. So let's talk about a couple things. So we have a bunch of new charms, a ton of new charms, a little new black dog bone, a little white sisters charm, a gold love, a bunch of flowers, a rose gold infinity heart, a little koi fish, tons of new charms, a new little purple glitter butterfly, some new stardust, jet hematite, and some different shades of pink and red. We have a new window frame. Yes, it kind of looks like Pac-Man. And I've seen a lot of people do some fun stuff with this, but you could fill one with stardust, you could put some charms in there, and that goes inside your locket. We also came out with this new, let's get it together here, this new double chain. We have it in two colors. This is the silver with the jet hematite, and it kind of, it's like a layered look, and you can in fact put a locket on it. It is super pretty. I'm actually wearing some pieces from our Valentine's Day collection right now. So if that will be going offline soon. So if you want some of the Valentine's pieces, hurry up and grab those. But this is super cute, nice layered look. It also comes in yellow gold with kind of, it looks like it's kind of going to be like yellowish, kind of yellow and gold crystals. We do not have that yet. We also came out with some new Claras. These are called Red Delight. The Claras, you know, are our most popular earring. I would say that these are a little more of a hot pink color. This is my water, and I'd say it's a little more on the hot pink side. So these are new. We also have a new medium Red Delight face that matches that. Another piece we came out with is a new rose gold locket. This one has a movable bail, and the crystals are a little bit bigger than our normal one, and it has a scalloped edge to it. It is, I feel like pictures don't really do this justice. It's really stunning. Let me show you. This is my personal locket, and it has charms in here that represent my wedding song, which is Fly Me to the Moon. So just to kind of compare them, this is the new one with the movable bail on the top, and the crystals are a little bit bigger and has that scalloped edge to it. We also came out with a new rose gold super dainty chain. I think this is 16 to 18 inches. Okay, I have to show you. This is my favorite piece. Now, there's a couple other pieces that I love that didn't come in my little pack, but they are on their way to me. One is a new storyteller watch. So this is our storyteller watch, but the new one this is silver, and I have it with a black band, but the new one, it's yellow gold, and then it has a yellow gold mesh band. It just looks super high end, and I can't wait to get that. Another piece that we came out with is a new inscriptions piece, and it is a silver dog bone, and you can inscribe one side of it. So you could put your pet's name. You could do it almost like an in memory of, if you have a doggy that passed away. I ordered one when I was little. I had a dog named Sandy, and so I got one that says Sandy, and it's very sweet and dainty. Great price point. It's only $14. You can grab a silver chain to go with it, or if you already have a chain, you could do that. If you happen to know any, pet rescues or anything, I would love to get in touch with them to do a fundraiser with them. So feel free to send them my way. So those are two of my other favorites that I don't have. But this piece, when I saw it, I about lost my mind because of how amazing it is. And I don't even think I realized that the chain comes with it. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? It's amazing. It is our new yellow gold padlock locket. It comes with this paper clip style chain attached to it right there. I've got it tangled a little bit here, but it's two different sides that kind of attaches to it. And it is an adjustable chain, but how stunning is this? I just feel like it's super high-end looking, and it opens like a classic locket, so you could fill it, you could wear it plain, you can wear it with some charms in it. It opens like a classic locket from the side, so it just opens just like a book, and you can fill it with some stardust. I think in mine, I might try it with, I just opened this up a second ago. I think I'm gonna maybe pop some of our little pearls in it and maybe put my initial in there. But I just think this is just absolutely stunning. So this is brand new for our spring collection that just launched. If you want to shop it, my shopping link is right here. If you want to earn some of the new goodies for free or at a discount, let me know. We could do a virtual party, or maybe you want to join my incredible team. Who knows? But those are some pieces. I hope you love them as much as I do. Once I get some of the other pieces in, I will definitely share them here with you. And if you aren't in my VIP group, make sure you go over there, because I have some fun things always going on in there, and they're always the first to know everything. So if you want to be the first to know and get in on all the fun stuff that I do in there, you definitely want to hop into my VIP group. So any questions, let me know. I am here to help. Just shoot me a PM or comment below. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will talk to y'all soon.